has come down to this. Who should get more of the blame for the under-23 Reggae Boys' embarrassment? How much blame goes to Coach Donovan Duke and how much blame should go to the players? I say about 80% blame goes to bad coaching decisions and bad tactics, and 20% blame to the players. And that 20% blame to the players is because some of them could have shown a little bit more urgency and fight in the heat of the battle. But outside of players being put out of position and positionally not complementing each other, the majority of the blame must go to the coaching decision to set up a team blessed with so many quality attacking players playing at home, and the team was set up to defend against two inferior teams who basically came to sit behind the ball and play on the counter. 4 across the back, 2 holding midfielders, and a lone striker against Dominica and St. Kitts. Where that are going to football? Duke must get the blame. All when we have dropped out of the tournament, we still play not to lose instead of playing to win. That is why Jamaica out of the Olympics. No amount of excuses will suffice. I think Coach Donovan Duke should do the honorable thing and resign. Yes, yes. Forget about the Panam Games. Do the honorable thing. What is it? The letter is. All right, we'll see. We're going to see if we can find my pick. It's good. See, thanks.